Hello everyone, just wanted to update. It's been not quite a week, it's been about 6 days since I did a click and grow video. I just wanted to give everyone an idea of how quickly these pods sprout. These are the Asian salad greens. One of them hasn't sprouted yet, but the other two have. And then over here, this one sprouted, you can see. Also my strawberries, because we've had some warmer days, so it's not as cold in my garage. So my strawberries have really put on some growth. And my flowers on my tomatoes are opening. So just wanted to let everyone see how much of a difference even 1 week can make. That's absolutely wonderful. The basil's not growing nearly as quickly as what I had hoped, and it looks a little bit yellow, kind of a little bit sickly almost. I'm not sure what to do about that, but this just lets you see how quickly these little guys can just sprout and grow. I'll update you again in about another week.